thanking our neighbors for all this wonderful hay that they have put out for us, because we would not have gotten it done in time because our tractor is still not fixed. Now, in our previous video, we did say that the hay that was being baled was just nasty and stuff. But let me tell you guys, it has turned out to be the best hay ever. We're not even sure how that happened.
Yeah, it's just crazy. They did a really good job baling our field, so thanks to them.
So that's why today we're going to be taking you guys along with us as we put it all up for the year. Also, this is our first cut of 2025. I think it is time we jump right into this video. What do you think?
Yep, let's go.
Thank you to our dad for helping us with this video today as well. We are headed down to the pasture. Our dad already got the truck and everything ready.
Alright, so we're going to go drive the tractor and drop off all the pallets over there, and then we're going to meet our dad at the gate, and we're going to start loading bales on the trailer. And then I'll grab these.
Got it? So right here, these are the pallets we're going to be using, and we're going to lay them all out right here, because this is kind of like the pad where our hay barn was going to go. But we haven't gotten it built yet, like I said. So we're going to lay them all out on these pallets.
Not wanting to let them go.
I saw that. I'm having a bit of a hard time. Now, yesterday our dad did go and stack all the hay bales in a line, just so it's a little bit easier for us today.
So we can just like pull the trailer right up next to them, load them on, and go to the next one.
Exactly. Okay. You want her to try, or you want to do it? Okay. Okay. Maddie is gonna try. She's gonna put them up on the flatbed. Now, I tried this the other day because we did stack some bales under the overhang, and I was not the best at it. I just couldn't get them straight for some reason. So my dad had to take over, but we're gonna see how she does. Good job. Bale for this row. I'm driving the truck today. Dad's filming. Where should we go? The next one?
Yeah, let's go to the next bales up there and start stacking those. We got Maddie on the tractor.
We got 4 in a row on each side. Now we're gonna start stacking on top. So we're gonna get a second layer up there. We'll switch it up. We'll have you in the tractor doing it, Maddie being able to do all that. video off so I don't get no copyright. I'm gonna drive to our next set of bales. I'm just gonna find a spot to put you guys. All right, she's gonna stack another one up there. I'm glad it's kind of cloudy because it's quite hot out and I did not put sunscreen on. So yeah, she's doing good. There we go. She just got to push it up a little more. Of the group. Very nice. We have enough space to do it, so just some extra will be nice. All right. Got all the bales. We're good to go. We're gonna drive out to where we're gonna be putting them. Let's do this.
All right.
So right now Devin is driving the truck on where we are going to set down all the pallets, and then we're gonna move out all the pallets, and then I'm gonna go and we're gonna take bales off of the tractor and put them on the pallets.
We're gonna get our gloves on real quick. Our dad switched out with Maddie, so we're just doing a little bit of switcheroo here. But yeah, we're gonna start pallets. Let's do this.
Be able to get in.
Right. That's true, I forgot about that.
You don't want to do any more?
It looks harder than it looks. Keep going. field.
Yeah.
There's air conditioning in here. So nice. All right, we're gonna head back down to the pasture. Our dad is in the tractor. We're switching it up. And I get to sit and relax.
It's cool air.
We still got quite a bit behind us, but the clouds have shaded the fields. Oh, this is nice. We got a little breeze going. We are on our second load of bales, so. Tiny one. That's nice. Second load is done. We are going to drive back over to where all the rest of the bales are. Dad's driving now. I can't believe Maddie did that.
She's gonna be like, what?
I should have put on sunscreen.
Me.
Did you put on sunscreen?
Yeah.
Okay. 28 more bales left and we're good to go. There you go. Gotta grab pallets. Running out. Maddie's gonna go grab them. Our overhang, that's what I was talking about. So that's where we pull from to get hay for the animals. Oh, the breeze feels so nice. Oh. Okay, we just got finished with our second load of hay, but we are running out of pallets. So we're not sure what we're gonna do about that.
You gotta take some loads and put it down.
Okay,
Some beams.
that'll work.
Beams. Well, the truth of you is she's worked a job for 40 hours a week the whole time.
Into the second field. So hot out, but Madison is doing a great job in that tractor. She has been doing better. Well, she has been doing better than I have. Last time I did it, it was just a mess. So I got to keep practicing, but she's doing really good. I'm enjoying the air conditioning just real quick. We're loading up our last bale actually on this side, and then if we have enough room, we'll get more. But if we don't, we're gonna head back down and put all the bales out. Now, I know we said we don't have any more pallets, okay, we are running out, and we don't have anywhere to put the bales because when we put them down there, we're gonna put a tarp over them just to keep them secure. My dad had a good idea about putting logs down and then putting the bale on top of them, kind of like a homemade pallet. So yeah, we're gonna try that out, see how that goes, and go from there. Let's go see how many bales are on this trailer. All right, looking good. We have some more down there, and then in the back right here and up there. So there we go. They are playing around, spraying water on each other. There you go.
Good.
They're having like a water fight.
Yeah, and I don't want to run over anybody, but they're kind of. Oh shoot! They almost drew me.
They're having a water fight. What are they doing?
Backing up the hill. There's a second.
Okay. Let's go. We're going back over. Ooh, you can feel the weight. That's crazy. Those? I have to move them with the tractor. Okay. The plan is we're going to use these logs behind me. We're going to set them out and we're going to use those for the bales. Those are some nice logs. So that's what we're going to do. Here comes Maddie. What's your experience with Dad's hand signals?
Let's just say I know a few of them and they aren't the best to follow. Because he goes, and I'm like, that way? And it means
Right.
back up. And I'm like, what? But you're pointing that way.
Right. Well, we're bringing logs in. Let's see how this goes. I wonder if they're too long, maybe? What do you think? Dad said we had 28 bales left, but this was, how many do you think are on there? 4, 8, like 12 bales we put on there. The last bit, just for you. You get the last bit. How are we gonna do that? Oh, never mind. Say Maddie's already got it. You got it?
Yep. Smart.
Very smart. Very nice.
Why? How does he make it look so good?
He's really good at working the forks.
In the tractor, he's like,
Yeah.
this is me. Is an S24 FE? It's just like is just having it the same size as your phone. S24 Plus is having that same size.
Does he got that, or we need to help him? No, he got it. Yeah, go Dad! What are you doing? That's one ugly little log. Who's that? It's Jolene! What are you doing? Lay down, little man. Oh, he's hot now. Jolene! Ah! He's He's chasing the neighbor's dogs. He's such a baddie.
But no more doing that.
Brakes are nice, right?
I want a hoagie roll.
A hoagie roll.
Hoagie.
It's a hoagie. He's helping today. He says, "Thank you, you good humans person." Good to go? Good to go? Bo's gonna be the tractor dog today. There he goes. Have fun, you two. We are out in our second pasture. Our dad is working the tractor behind us. It's hot. It's very hot. Bo, you look very hot, sir. Yeah. Anyway, we have 2 more loads after this one.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking we're gonna get this load all loaded on the flatbed. And then I am going to update you guys on when we're done, and we're gonna count all the bales and see how many we have. So. All right. Buckle up, Bo. Woo. Are you a passenger princess, girl? All right, we are headed down to our last set of bales.
4 more bales.
This is what we're looking like. We got our lunch. Our sisters made us the hoagie rolls we've been wanting, so that's good. We're driving out to the pasture to get our last load, so you look like you're enjoying that. That we wanted.
Hey, Dad already got this.
He got like this.
Where is he going? He only has 4.
Alright, on to our next journey. We are headed down, and our dad is going to lift the bales off for us. Out there. Alright, we are officially done with this year's cut of the hay season. All the bales are loaded. We just got to buy more pallets, and then we're going to tarp them another day because we don't have enough tarp for all of these bales. So let's count them together. Okay. Maddie's bet is 50, so what do you think?
$48.
48? That's it?
Bales.
Well, let me stop you right there. Madison's counting was totally off. I just recounted all the bales, and I even counted the ones under the loafing shed. So I've counted almost 80. So we've got about 80 bales sitting right here. Not 48. I don't know where Maddie got that number. But anyway, yeah. We have almost 80 bales in total, which is amazing. So we are hot and sweaty and ready to go inside because today was supposed to be our Sabbath, but we had other plans. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one.